A solid foundation. Why your job matters. Your job is a powerful tool for building wealth. It provides a steady income. This income is the foundation of your financial journey. Don't quit your job until you have a solid plan for replacing that income. You can use your job's income to cover essential expenses. You can also use it to save and invest wisely. Having a job gives you financial stability and peace of mind. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort. Your job provides the starting point for your wealth-building adventure. Master your money. Budgeting for success. Budgeting is essential for managing your money effectively. It allows you to track income and expenses. This helps you identify areas where you can save. Start by creating a simple budget. List all your sources of income, then track your expenses for a month. Categorize your expenses like housing, food, and transportation. Identify areas where you can cut back. Once you have a budget, stick to it. This will free up more money to save and invest. Remember, small changes in your spending habits can make a big difference over time. Make your money grow investing wisely. Investing is crucial for growing your wealth over time. It allows your money to work for you. Start by investing in your employer-sponsored retirement plan, like a 401k. Contribute enough to get the full employer match. This is like getting free money. As you learn more, diversify your investments. Consider low-cost index funds or target date funds. These funds offer diversification and potential for growth. Remember, investing involves risk. However, over the long term, it's one of the most effective ways to build wealth. Section 4, extra cash, extra gains, side hustle power. Side hustles are a great way to boost your income. They can help you reach your financial goals faster. Think about your skills and interests. What services could you offer in your free time? Some popular side hustles include freelance writing, graphic design, and pet sitting. You can also explore the gig economy through platforms like Uber, DoorDash, or TaskRabbit. Use the extra income from your side hustle to invest, pay off debt, or save for a specific goal. Section 5, you can do it, building your wealthy future. Building wealth while working a full-time job is achievable. It requires discipline, planning, and effort. By following these practical tips, you can create a brighter financial future for yourself. Remember to budget wisely, invest consistently, and explore side hustles for extra income. Start small, stay focused, and celebrate your progress along the way. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Every step you take toward your financial goals brings you closer to a more secure and fulfilling future.